What do you look for, Grover?
Who's pretty blankets?
Huh?
Who's pretty blankets?
Those are your pretty blankets.
Huh?
Those are your pretty blankets.
Oh, where'd they come from?
I don't know. I found them in your closet.
Somebody bought them.
I found them in your closet.
Oh, you found them in that closet?
Yes, in your closet.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, well, that was good. They might have been mine there for the house,
Grover.
but I don't think so.
Chicken?
Yeah, he'd like to. He'd like to.
Kisses.
Maybe. Whew. I can't catch him. Oh, he's a sweet old poop. Yeah, he's a sweet chicken. He's a sweet old thing. Yeah, they're sweet little things. I got to say that. Oh, have you got to go to work?
Yeah, I've got to go to work.
Huh?
I've got to go to work.
Now?
In about 30 minutes, I'm leaving to go get Joey.
Oh,
Love you.
love you too. Be careful.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, be careful always.
Yes, ma'am.